In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and configure ReConvert for Shopify and design high-converting post-purchase upsells. By the end, you'll have ReConvert installed, connected inside your Shopify settings, and a clean, effective upsell flow ready to go on your thank you page. Let's start with the installation. Head to the Shopify App Store and open the ReConvert Upsell and Cross-Sell app page. Click Add App or Install and follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to approve permissions, which allows the app to place offers on your post-purchase page. Make sure you're logged into the correct Shopify store before you begin, so the app attaches to the right account. When the installation completes, you'll land back in your Shopify admin with ReConvert added to your apps list. Next, connect ReConvert in your Shopify settings so Shopify knows which app should handle post-purchase offers. In your Shopify admin, go to Settings, then Checkout. Scroll until you see the Post-Purchase Offers section. Open the dropdown and select ReConvert. Don't forget to click Save. This step is crucial. Without it, your offers won't show after checkout. Think of this as telling Shopify, after the customer pays, show ReConvert's offers. Now you're ready to design your upsell experience. From your Shopify dashboard, open the ReConvert app and launch the Flow Builder. This is where you create your sequence using a drag-and-drop editor. Start by customizing your thank you page layout so it matches your brand. Then add upsell widgets such as product recommendations, timers, or discount blocks. You can set triggers that determine which offer appears based on what the customer just bought, their order value, or other conditions. Relevant offers work best. Pair accessories with a main item, or suggest a premium upgrade that feels like a natural next step. As you build, keep the customer journey simple and clear. Use concise copy, strong images, and a single primary call to action. Avoid overcrowding the page. One compelling offer often outperforms many competing ones. You can also personalize the page with social media links to encourage ongoing engagement, and consider enabling birthday collection if it suits your retention strategy. Preview your changes as you go to make sure everything looks good on desktop and mobile. If you get stuck, ReConvert includes helpful tutorials and live chat support right inside the app. Don't hesitate to use them. They can save you time and help you follow best practices. That's it. Install the app, connect it under checkout settings, and build your offer flow in the ReConvert editor. With a few thoughtful tweaks, your post-purchase page can become a powerful revenue driver.